So I guess I haven't taken very good care of my landing loop. We've kind of left it out on the deck. We've had it for at least 8 years, maybe 9 or 10. And it's looking pretty miserable right about now.
Hi, I'm Ron.
And I'm Marie.
10 years ago, we bought a broken down trawler for $4,000.
And nothing worked, not even the kitchen sink.
After a lot of hard work and help from our friends and family, we moved aboard Elixir full time. And now we are cruising this old boat while the work and fun continues.
So subscribe and give us a like and come along with us cruising this old boat. And we rely on this a lot. I mean, I don't use it every time we dock, but anytime that there's a piling that's a long ways away, or like when we were in the Bahamas and over in Bimini and that storm came through and we broke away from the dock and we just had a few lines over, and I was trying to lasso lines over to the piling, and between the wind and the rain and the distance, I just couldn't get them over there. And this bad boy did the job. So it's rescued us a few times. I think I'm ready for a new one. What do y'all think? There we go. The extension pole, which is supposed to open up to about 10 feet, the Y, and your 2 pieces. Okay, so it's got the little thing that smashes down and you can pop it into the hole right there. And I put it on the wrong side. Good thing it's removable. Alright, let's try that again. Okay, there's one. This thing will let you catch a cleat up to 18 inches wide. That's a pretty wide cleat, 18 inches. Piling up to 12 inches. This one here is going to fasten right into here. Then you tighten or loosen from here. Yes, you can tighten it clockwise. Counterclockwise to loosen it, and so it breaks down, and if you want to store it in even a smaller space, you can now even undo those. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to put it, how to use it with the pole. Instead of taking this end and going all the way through and having a long ways to thread, just go through like that and twist this back and you have a loop. Alright, so then let me shorten that a little bit. You're going to take this line and put it on top of the little feet. You have the end of your loop approximately where the Y is. So the end of the loop about where the Y is, so you can pull it snug. You got to keep it snug, otherwise it's going to fall off of the frame. And then as you reach out, you just slide your hand down the pole and keep that snug. And if you extend your pole, you would do the same thing. So if you discover you don't have the pole long enough, you can extend it while you still have it ready to go. And you can even lay this down on the deck and have it ready to go before you get to where you're at, if you know that there's going to be a piling or a cleat that's difficult to get. Once you have your pole long enough, extended enough to reach around the cleat or the piling, when you reach out, you put it over whatever it is that you're going to put it over, and then you just pull the pole away and it'll go around it. The newer version, if you have the old version and you took good care of it, because they have not made the older version for years and years and years from what I've been told. I think I talked to the owner, and he said that what I had was super old and they hadn't made it anymore. This Y is now made out of some form of plastic, and I never used this to push off of the dock before, but he said definitely don't be using these, don't be using the new version to push from a dock, because the plastic's not going to hold up to it. But the reason they made it like this, I guess, is because of how the others rusted, and I'm hoping this will last a long time. When I went to order this, the owner was very helpful and knowledgeable, and I don't want a boat without it.